In this session, I'm going to cover some of the basic concepts on data sorting and data filtering. So let's suppose that you have a bunch of data in a spreadsheet, and it could be stuff like this. So it could be a bunch of records very similar to this. So you have a bunch of dates, you have a bunch of locations or products and regions and customer sales and cost of goods sold and all that type of stuff. If you look at the dates here, they are not in order. So let's say you want to order them by the date. So what you can do in Excel, and a lot of people get confused by this, they start selecting stuff and so on. And let's say you want to sort this by date. All you have to do is you click on one of those cells here that you want to sort by, and then you choose under sort and filter. You can choose sort from the oldest to the newest, or the newest to the oldest, or A through Z and so on. So if I click on the first one, notice everything is sorted at this point, including the other columns. So again, if I wanted to sort by product, for example, click on the product column anywhere and choose sort A through Z. And now I have them sorted. So that's how easy it is to learn. The next concept that I'd like to show you is how to filter by a specific product or a specific region. So let's say we want to see the sales by a specific region. Let's say we want only the products for the South region. So of course you could sort this by clicking on region here and choose sort A through Z. But let's say I don't want these other records here, the West and the South and so on. So what you can do is you can click on sort and filter and then choose filter, or you can right click and choose filter. So anytime you don't see the function in the toolbar or in the ribbon here, you can also right click on stuff. So let's go back to sort and filter and then click on filter. Notice what happens in Excel. And this is a pretty neat feature starting with Excel 2007. You can go here under, there are these drop down menus or drop downs next to each heading on your worksheet here. So you click on the drop down and notice that all of those are selected. Now we choose unselect all and we choose only the East section. Now we click OK and notice we'll see only the data for the East. It's not deleted, it's just filtered and displaying only the data for that region. So you can do multiple layers of filtering. So let's say we wanted to filter by region and then also by the sales rep. So you go here on the drop down and you choose, let's say I want only Franks. Click OK. And now these are the results only for Franks. And of course you could sort them again in a different way here. So we have here sorting applied and also we have filtering. Now to unsort them by that specific record, you just go into it and then you get rid of the filtering. So you choose select all, and of course you can select more than one person too. And now you have more records. You go back here under the range, click OK, and now all the records are displayed again. Keep in mind that under the filtering, there are different other text filters that you can apply as well. So you could say if it begins with something, if it equals something, or if it contains something, or you can even create your custom filter as well. So for example, let's say I want any text filters, let's say that contain E. It begins with E. And then click OK. And now notice it gives you all the variations of E. So it's a very powerful tool in analyzing data and filtering and sorting through data. And you could have millions of, well actually up to 1 million records. You can't have more than 1 million in an Excel spreadsheet. But you can sort that data and manipulate it and look at it from different angles and different fields and filter through it. So to clear the filter, you just drop down here and click on clear filter.